A supercomputer is a computer which has high level of performance compared to the general purpose computers. Cell computer technology. Supercomputers are large systems that is specifically designed to solve complex scientific and industrial challenges. So the main purpose or the main use of supercomputers are to solve scientific and industrial challenges. A supercomputer is the fastest computer in the world that can perform significant amount of data very quickly. The computing performance of supercomputer is very high as compared to general purpose computers. All general purpose computers compared with the supercomputers, the high the performance is the supercomputer is very high performance. The computing performance of a supercomputer is measured in flops, that that is floating point operations per second instead of MIPS. The supercomputer consists of tens of thousands of processors which can perform billions and trillions of calculations per second, and so you can say that supercomputer can deliver up to nearly 100 quadrillions of flops. That's the most fastest performance in the history of computers. They are involved from greedy of cluster system of massively parallel computing. Cluster systems computing means that the machine uses a multiple processor in one system instead of array of separate computer network. These computers are most massive concerning size. A most powerful computer can occupy few feet to hundreds of feet. The supercomputer price is very high and they can vary from $2 lakh dollar to over $100 million. Characteristics of supercomputers: they can support more than hundreds of users at a time. These machines are capable of handling the massive amount of calculations that are beyond the human capacity. That is, the human is unable to solve such extreme calculations. Many individuals can access supercomputer at the same time. These are the most expensive computers that can ever be made. Features of supercomputer. Features of supercomputers: they have more than one CPU, central processing unit, which consists instructions so that it can interpret instruction and execute arithmetic and logical operation. The supercomputer can support extremely high computational speed of CPUs. They can operate on pair of list of numbers instead of pair of numbers. They were used initially in applications related to the national security, nuclear weapon design, and cryptography, but nowadays they are also employed by the aerospace, automotive, and petroleum industries.